I've lost 127 pounds on the Weight Watcher Blue Plan. If you'd like to see what I eat in a day, be sure to watch this video. Hi, this is Patty. Thanks for clicking on my channel, Winning at Weight Loss. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Today I'm going to do another What I Eat in a Day video on the Weight Watcher Blue Plan. I've lost 127 pounds on the program, and I'd like to share with you what I eat in a day. So come on along if you'd like to see what I eat in a day on the Weight Watcher Blue Plan. Breakfast this morning, I'm having a 3-point English muffin, and I'm going to put a fried egg and then 1 piece of bacon on it, cooked crisps. Normally I buy center cut bacon, but they didn't have any, so the bacon was 2 points. So this is going to be a 5-point breakfast sandwich. Along with my breakfast sandwich, I'm having a half of a grapefruit and then 1 point for the iced coffee, so it's a 6-point breakfast. Okay, I'm going to make a marinade for my salmon, and I'm going to put a 1/4 cup of soy sauce, a 1/4 cup of maple syrup, and 2 teaspoons of minced garlic. I'm going to marinate my salmon in this mixture for about 20 minutes, and then I'm going to air fry it. I preheated my Ninja air fryer, and now I'm going to spray it lightly. It shuts off when you open it, and I'm going to put the salmon in. And then it should cook for about 7 minutes. There's the finished salmon. It looks good in the air fryer. And there's my 0-point lunch for today. A piece of salmon glazed with sugar-free maple syrup, soy sauce, and garlic, and some asparagus. And I'm going to share this with my husband, see if he likes it. Kind of a boring day today. Didn't do much, anything, just walked, and I don't want to keep showing that every day. Went to Walmart to look around. Didn't buy much though. So it's just mostly going to be food today. So I hope that's what you guys like to see. For this recipe, I'm taking about 1.5 pounds of chicken, and I'm going to use 1/2 cup of sugar-free apricot preserves and some fat-free French dressing, or you can use Russian or Catalina. This is a very simple recipe. I'm converting it from a higher calorie recipe, and then you pour that. Then I'm taking a packet of onion soup mix and pouring it in, and I will mix it until it's combined, and then I simply pour it over the chicken, cover it with foil, and bake it for about 45 minutes at 350 degrees. And that's what it looks like when it's covered, and then I'm going to cover it with foil and put it in the oven. This is what it looks like when it comes out of the oven. I tested the temperature of the chicken, and it's all done, so we're gonna eat. Here's my dinner for tonight. It's going to be 0 points for the chicken, 0 points for the carrot, and 3 points for the rice. So that's a 3-point meal. After dinner, I'm having an iced coffee outside, and that chicken dish was different. I'll say that. It had a very strong apricot taste, and I cut the apricot down by half along with French dressing. So it was not 0 points, it was 2 points per serving. So, but I did not use all of the sauce, so there was a lot of it left, and it was good. It was just different because you just really hit that apricot taste, really hits you right when you eat it. So I think I would cut that down and probably make it again, but just I would cut the apricot preserves down. Maybe because it's sugar-free, it was more flavor of that. I don't know. But I had that with rice, and I'm just sitting out here having an iced coffee right now, which is 1 point, and I'll be coming back later with some dessert and some snacks because I love my snacks. For dessert this evening, I made some sugar-free, fat-free pistachio pudding. That serving is 3 points. I tried to originally make it with almond milk, and it didn't thicken up, so I had to remake it, and I just used 2% milk, so that's why it's a little higher in point. It's 1 point for the sugar-free Cool Whip, and 3 points for 11 mini vanilla wafers. So that is my dessert for this evening. It's higher in points than I would normally have, but since I had a low point lunch and dinner, it enabled me to have higher point dessert. So that's what I'm having tonight. A yummy dessert, having the cookies, and I could dip it in the pudding, and it is really tasty. And there's all different kinds of pudding you can get. I just suggest using probably skim milk to make it a little less points. I'm making some popcorn in my new oil-free popcorn maker that I bought. You just pour the popcorn in the bottom, just like that, and you put the lid in, set it in there, just like that. Place it in the microwave and set the popcorn setting and start. I have a whole bunch of flavors for popcorn: nacho cheddar, bacon cheddar, caramel corn, white cheddar, ranch, kettle corn flavor, and butter flavor. And I think I'm going to use the butter flavor on this popcorn. Maybe I'll do it half and half. I'll do butter, and I will do the ranch. So when the popcorn is done, hold on, the lid rises up, and there's the whole popcorn, oil-free. And I'm gonna try some ranch and some butter flavoring. So I made 2 different kinds of popcorn, oil-free. It is 3 points for all that popcorn. I will link that popcorn maker in my description box below. It's really cool. And I like the way it works. It's easy, simple to use, and it makes a good snack. And those flavorings, you have all kinds of different choices. So you spray it with a little bit of non-stick butter spray. The seasonings will stick to it a lot better. I found that out, so that is a suggestion. But that is a really yummy snack, guilt-free. Put a comment below and let me know what your favorite snack is. I really like to read everyone's comments, and I'd like to read yours. So I ended the day using 22 out of 24 points available. I hope you got some good ideas for food that you can eat while you're on the Weight Watcher Blue plan. So that's going to be it for today's What I Ate in a Day video on the Weight Watcher Blue plan. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button so you can be notified of every time I upload a new video. Remember, we're here to eat healthy, get fit, and be well. This is Patty, and I'm winning at weight loss. Thanks so much for watching this video. We'll see you in the next one. Bye!